Hello everyone, so how to install WATCHFACES on FITBIT app. So you can change your clock face just with your device nearby. In the FITBIT app, tap the Today tab, your profile picture, the device image, tap Clock Faces All Clocks, browse all the available clock faces, tap the one you want to select, and then sync your device to see the change. And there are some additional settings for FITBIT Versa and Ionic series. You can also install the Bitmoji clock face. Just again, go to Clock Faces All Clock, search for Bitmoji, select Install, tap Settings, tap Connect. And then, in the Snapchat connection, tap Connect, follow the on-screen instruction to log into your Snapchat account and connect it to FitBit. And then you will download a variety of Bitmoji stickers. So there you have it.